Hey everybody, it is that time of the month, and no, I don't mean that. I do mean it is time for the Ipsy review of the April bag. Now, I did get 8 products. 5 come with the bag, and I got 3 of the products with my Ipsy points. So I do have 8 products to show you and 8 to review and tell you whether they worked for me or whether they didn't. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the bag. Now, don't mind the cats. They are going to be everywhere. They're all over the place right now. First of all, I want to tell you that this is one of my favorite bags, period, that Ipsy has sent. I love it. I think it is perfect for spring and summer. I love the lemons. I love the mint green on the inside. I think this is just so adorable, and I would definitely wear this. I would take it to the beach. I would take it to dinner. I would take it anywhere. I would use it as a clutch. So now we're just going to go ahead and jump in. Now I'm going to show you the 5 products that Ipsy sent, and then at the end I will tell you about the 3 products that I got with my Ipsy points. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this fan brush, and it is by Billion Dollar Brows. I love this brush. This is perfect for highlighter. The only thing that I don't like about it is it does kind of shed just a little, not much, but I tend to, every time I get a new brush, I tend to kind of wear it down just to see what it's got before I even put it on my face, because I don't want the little hair sticking to my makeup or anything like that. I could just use it on my cheekbones with the highlighter, so I can't really do my nose. Now I could do my Cupid's bow, but I highlight in other spots that this brush is kind of hard to get to with this brush. But other than that, I love the brush. I don't have but 2 other fan brushes, so I did like that I did get one of these. The next thing that I got was the Laura Sanchez eyeshadow, and this is one of the Moods eyeshadows, and I got mine in, I think the shade name of this one is Olive Martini or something like that. I'll correct it on the screen somewhere, but it's this beautiful olive green. Now I love green eyeshadows. I think they look really good on people with brown eyes, and really any color, any eye color it would work for, but especially on brown eyes, I think it really makes the green pop. So I do love greens. I wish there was more matte green shades, because this in a matte shade, I would probably use it all the time. You'd probably always see me with green eyeshadow. Now, the only thing that I didn't like about this is it's not that pigmented. You definitely have to build this eyeshadow up. The first application is kind of patchy, and you just gotta, build it up. So I had to end up using my finger to go in and get the exact application that I wanted. So it was easier with my finger. Now I did try to wet it, and it wasn't working that well either. So, I love the eyeshadow. I love the shade. I just wish the formula was just a little bit better. The next thing that I got is this Answer from Luminous Collagen Eye Cream. Now, this is supposed to brighten, and it is also supposed to hydrate under your eyes, especially if your skin is very dry. Mine is very, very dry. This has been really doing its job. It is very luminous. I don't think there's any shimmer in it, but there's some kind of product that I'm using. I think it's something else I got in the bag that does have glitter in it, which I don't really like. My skin is mature, so I don't like to use a lot of glitter in my products that go on my face. My eyes are fine, but when it comes to face products, I don't really like glitter. But this is very hydrating. You can feel the cooling effect of this. We'll just have to see in time if the collagen is doing anything for the under eye bags, because mine are awful. Now, the next thing that I got was the balm, and this is the Bonjour Creamy Lip Stain, and mine is in Salute. Now, this is a beautiful mauve shade. It does leave a tint on your lips, but I don't think it really matches the color. I don't really care too much for lip stains. I don't really use them a lot. I do like the balm, and I think they have some amazing products, but really, I don't really use lip stains. Now, this does its job. As I said, though, the tint it just leaves like a really weird tint. I'll just have to show you in pictures. This will probably just lay around in one of my makeup bags and never get used again. The next thing that I got, and this was one of my favorite things in the bag this month, this is the Tarte Base Tape. Yeah, Base Tape. Tarte Double Duty Beauty Hydrating Primer. This just made up for the whole bag. I mean, I don't have any other words for it. I love Tarte. I love their products. Now, they do have some products out there that just don't work for me, but I love this. The tape line, I'm not sure, Shake Tape, I absolutely love. One of my favorite concealers. This is one of those products that I feel like I'm going to be gravitating toward all the time, but I still need a little bit of a mattifying primer as well, so I will be using this along with a matte primer. That because I do have to go in my pore prone areas with a mattifying primer, and this is more hydrating, but I do love it for the rest of the face. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you the 3 products that I got, and these again were bought with my Ipsy points, so I'll go ahead and show you what I got. The first thing is the Luxie 707 Small Angle Eye Brush. Now, why I picked up another eye brush or angled eye brush, I don't know. You know, I use them all the time and I can never have enough. It's so hard to find one that has got the perfect shape that is going to give you the thinnest line ever. This one, however, does not do it. This one I could use on my brows and I think it works fine, but using it for an eyeliner or gel liner or anything like that, it's just still a little bit too wide. I don't know if I got to work with it and get it squished down or something, but I think it does make a good brow brush, but not for liner. I think this is called the Kaleido Cosmetics. I don't know. Correct me in the comments. I'm probably saying that wrong. This is the Skin Drench Priming Moisturizer. Now, I have not used this for a primer because I've been using the Tarte and trying that one out, but I have been using this for a moisturizer for my face before I apply my makeup. Mason, why are you doing that? This is certified vegan and gluten-free. Now, I'm going to read the back of it, and then I'll tell you what I think of it. A moisturizer that releases a burst of skin-softening, priming hydration without leaving the skin sticky or greasy. Apply as a daily moisturizer or as a hydrating primer before foundation to impact a dewy, soft-focused finish. Guys, I think this is the product with the glitter in it, and I'm not sure. I can't see it. Whenever you put a blob of it on your hand, I can't see it. But I don't know what else it could be. And it's always, after I use this product, I look on my hand and there's glitter all over it. If this is the one with glitter, I don't really like that. Because again, I got mature skin. I don't like glitter in my face products. You know, I tend to lean more toward the matte products. But I like the dewy look. So I just try to manipulate with my highlighter and other products, or like my foundation or something, to give me a bit of a luminous look, but I try to do it without glitter. Now, I'm going to keep using this because I really do like it. It's very hydrating, and I can feel the cooling effect, and I feel like it does do something, a little something for the skin that is definitely luminous. And I love the glow that it gives. I'll pop some pictures up here showing you after I use this what it looks like. But I don't know if it has glitter in it. I know after I use it on my hand, I see glitter. But it might just be me. Who knows? But I do like it overall. The last thing that I got was these glow drops. This is Eddie Funkhauser glow drops, and it says Luxe Light right there in the middle. I don't know if that's a shade name or if that's just this line. I'm not exactly sure. I love liquid highlighters. This one I love as well. I just can't use it for a highlighter by itself because it is a little bit darker. So it is a little bit darker, but I do like to put like a dot of this in my foundation. And there's no chunky glitter or anything like that. So it is just a sheen, and it is a beautiful highlighter. I'll show you swatches and everything of it. It's just a beautiful highlighter. It's like a champagne gold, and I really do like liquid highlighters. So guys, that is it for this Ipsy review. That was my review of the April bag. Overall, I do love it. You know, I loved everything in the bag except for the couple of things that were kind of giving me problems. But you know what? For $10 a month, I definitely think it's worth it. So as always, Ipsy will be linked below if you want to go check them out. It is down there for your convenience. And guys, make sure before you leave this video, you rate the video. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Whether you did like it or you didn't like it, doesn't really matter. Just rate the video. It shows YouTube that you are enjoying these videos. And then make sure you turn your notification bell on, because I am always putting out spoilers. So if you enjoy seeing what you're going to be getting in your beauty subscription boxes, hit that bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. And subscribe to my channel, become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye. No, they didn't. I will show you I will tell you about another thing. I got mine in, shit. Oh God, what is this called? Love greens. Get the, no, I just lied. Okay, hold on. This is a, oh, primer. That, because, well, shit. Where you were got with, or were, why am I wrong? Up to, for apply my lotion. Apply my makeup. Mason, why are you doing that? Oh shit. This softening, priming. God. For Billy highlighter. I'll show you. No screenshots. That you are enjoying these videos. Getting in your beauty. I don't know. You know.